Hi there, mga beloved ko soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito ang inyong lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Happy Easter po sa ating lahat. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Okay? Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Ang ibig sabihin po ng timeless reading ay kahit kailan nyo po ito mapanood, no pressure at all. Next week, next month, and even next year. So, ibig sabihin po ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po, please don't hesitate to subscribe, mag-comment po kayo, mag-like, and share. And of course, if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, please follow rin po. Mag-comment po kayo. And of course, if you want to avail a private reading, mag-send po kayo ng direct message po sa akin sa ating TikTok account. Ulitin ko po, hindi po ako ang mag-offer ng private reading po para sa inyo sapagkat may mga scammer po ngayon. Kahapon nakareceive na po ako ng message na may nanggagaya po ng ating account, nag-re-upload ng ating videos, kinukuha po yung videos natin and nag-offer ng private reading. Please, maging maingat po kayo ngayon. Hindi po ako yung mag-offer ng private reading sa inyo. Kayo po yung una mag-chat sa akin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makaka-avail ng slot. Okay? So, please be mindful, doble ingat po. Kunin na natin, Taurus, ang isa pong baraha para sa yung timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, and cards, please, Saint Michael for Taurus. Okay? So, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 5, 6, last 4 cards po yung maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon. At sa mga nag-avail po ng personal reading, thank you so much po sa inyong tiwala, ha? And thank you so much po sa inyong feedback na I'm so happy na makita kayo after the reading na masaya po sa naging reading po natin. And I hope na magtuloy-tuloy po. And dito ko po, if you want to avail a private reading, huwag po kayo maya mag-send ang message po sa akin. Let's begin, Taurus, your timeless reading with your first card, which is the Death card. This is a very beautiful opening card. Why? So, something bad, something painful, kalungkutan, problema, mga pinagdaanan mo lately, Taurus, ay matatapos na with the Death card. So, something is about to end. Situation, friendship, relationship na hindi na healthy or toxic na, hindi ka na masaya, puro problema ang dinanas mo. So, ibig sabihin, pag matatapos, merong something new na magsisimula para sa Taurus. I-claim mo na ito. Matatapos na lahat. So, mawawala, closure, ending, collapse of a certain situation that is not healthy or working for you anymore with the Death card. Okay? So, second card is the Queen of Cups. So, I can see here na Taurus, you will be starting to adapt the transformation that you've been feeling with the, kumbaga, yung ugali na hindi na tulad ng dati na, for example, if you're making a certain decision, you just know, bara-bara lang. With the Queen of Cups, I can see na magiging mindful ka na, magiging, you will be doing your job to do research first, mag-alam muna ng background sa mga tao pinagkakatiwalaan mo, even whatever things that you're going to do, ay talagang pag-aaralan mo mabuti. So, you will observe, you will do the, sabi ko, you will do the research, hindi na talaga tulad ng dati na basta-basta, okay, go, gusto ko yan, gagawin ko yan, and if it fails, of course, maapektuhan ka, malulungkot ka, and you will be, disappointed and frustrated. But now, Taurus, I'm so happy na ganito na yung mindset mo ngayon na nakikita natin dito. Hindi ka na basta-basta nagpapa-manipulate. You will be doing things na talagang base sa yung sariling desisyon. Hindi na tulad ng dati na humingi ka pa ng opinion ng pang tao. Kino-consider mo pa yung magiging reaction o yung magiging kumbaga, sasabihin na ibang tao. Now, Taurus, so this is a good thing. You will be doing everything on your own discernment. Okay? So, Empress. So, Taurus, this is the best time kasi I can see your mga Taurus na parang you are planning to, to do certain makeover. Parang, ayusin mo yung tsura mo, your physical looks. This is about physical looks kasi parang makita kong Taurus dito na nagpaplano lately na magparetoke, magpagupit ng bagong hairstyle, magpa-hair color, magpapayat, go to the gym to improve or build your body. So if you're planning about that, so this is the best time na gawin na to, lalo na summer ngayon. So to those students na parang you are planning to open also certain business idea, sideline habang vacation pa, so do it. So something about that will make you happy. So Taurus, so do it. Kasi nakikita natin that it will be good or it will be successful. Three of Wands. I can see here, Taurus, that you really wanted to move on. Parang matagal na ang panahon na pinag-iisipan mo talaga na gusto mo na makawala sa isang sitwasyon na talagang naiipit ka. So far, wala kang choice. You really want. Kasi it's been a long time na parang kailan ba yung last Taurus no, nag-smile ka or ngumiti ka sa dami ng problema, sa dami ng mga bagay na inaasikaso mo or sinisettle mo lately. But I can see that you really want to be free. You want independence. You want to do something na gusto mo kung saan ka masaya. But parang medyo may pumipigil pa or nade-delay pa. It's because of a certain obligation and responsibilities. But Taurus, believe me, in the soonest time, hindi ito magtatagal, you will be regaining this happiness. You will be happy again. You will be contented again. So just take it easy. No rush. So be patient and everything will fall into place for you, Taurus. Okay? So, panglima yan, ito na. King of Cups, this is abundance. This is stability for you, Taurus. So, sabi ko nga, you don't need to rush everything. You just need to be patient. You need to work hard for the harvest season in the future. So, with the King of Cups here, so I can see here that you're working hard. Talagang sisipag ka talaga, Taurus. Ginagawa mong lahat. So, talagang may plano ka, may pangarap ka, gusto mo makamit. That's why, kumbaga, you're grinding too much as of now. So, believe me with this Three of Wands na talaga you really want in the future, magbubunga talaga ito. Okay, so kailangan mo na sipagan. You just need to focus on your goals. You don't need to be distracted with other people around you sa mga bagay na mga wala namang kabuluhan. So this is the best time na talagang samantalahin na sipagan, gawin ang lahat. You need to be goal-oriented kasi talagang isipin mo, sinasabi ko you will be successful but it needs hard work. Okay, Taurus? So you need to work hard for it. Hindi ito makukuha, hindi ito madadaan sa swerte, hindi ito madadaan sa, kumbaga, you just need to sit in a corner and wait for a miracle. So there is an abundance here, there is a victory here, so but you need to work hard for it, Taurus. Okay? So we have 5 cards more remaining sa ating second row. Ulitin ko, please do subscribe po ha kapag di pa kayo nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And please follow sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, and send me a direct message if you want to avail a private reading. Hindi po ako yung unang magsasend sa inyo ng message sapagkat ang dami pong scammer na naglipanan ngayon. So kayo po ang unang magsasend sa akin ng message and pag-usapan po natin. Okay? Ang mong barasa yung timeless reading, Taurus, is the 7 of Wands. So, whatever confusions, whatever disappointments with people, I can see Taurus, may mga Taurus dito na nakaranas ng betrayal lately. May mga taong na-disappoint sila, may mga taong ginawan sila ng masama, yung parang nasaktan talaga sila. So parang trinidor, ginawa ng issue, sila pa nga yung tumulong lately, kayo pa nga Taurus yung tumulong lately, kayo pa ang napasama. Okay, but with the Death card, I can see here that all of that disappointments and frustrations na naranasan mo sa mga taong ito ay matatapos na. Makaka-move on ka, makakapag-heal ka. But I can see here a kind of Taurus na grabe yung learnings, lalo na sa trust, sa pagtitiwala na sa mga tao. Hindi mo control ang lahat ng nangyari. Tapos na yun, Taurus. But the good thing here is, kailangan mong mag-move forward with the Death card. So, sabihin nangyari yon kasi may kapalit na bago with the Death card. Kaya nangyari yon, matatapos yon. It's because universe has prepared something bigger for you. Niloko ka, binetray ka, may mas masaya, may mas malaking blessing na kapalit ito para sa iyo, Taurus. That's what you should always remember. Okay? 4 of Pentacles. So, with the Queen of Cups, this is very, kumbaga, napakalinaw ng cards natin. So, you need to be, you need to be mindful. Alagaan mabuti ang resources, ang pera. Alam mo naman ang sitwasyon ng panahon natin ngayon, di ba? So, hindi magulo. The economy is bad. So, sabihin, whatever resources you have, whatever source of income na pumapasok sa ngayon, so kung pwede, hawakan ito mabuti, tipirin, it's because you need to really hold on your resources and money because this is not the best time na maging gasta. Kasi nakikita ka, Taurus, lately, parang puro palabas ang pera sa'yo. Puro gasta, no? Kahit yung mga hindi mo naman kailangan, bigla, naging impulsive ka. But the universe is reminding you with the 4 of Pentacles, Taurus, na maging maingat, sorry. And of course, you need to be really mindful in how to manage your finances well or kumbaga, ayusin talaga ang paghawak ng pera. Kung pwede i-monitor, ilista kung yung pumapasok, yung mga dapat gastusin. So, you need to really hold on for it, okay? So, hindi ito yung oras para maging gastador, Taurus. Oh, tingnan mo. Pangwalo, this is poverty. This is stagnancy. May pera nga, 5 of Pentacles, but kumbaga madalang, matumal. So with the Empress card here, so ikaw ito, Taurus. So you really need to hold on your horses. You need to really, kumbaga, do your best talagang para magtipid at talagang gawin ang lahat. Kasi nga nakikita natin dito, parang hindi ka nakakaipon, Taurus eh. Kasi as much as you really wanted to save, but parang ang daming mga unwanted expenses. Kung may bigla-biglang mga gastos na hindi kontrolado, of course, wala tayong magagawa. Magpapalabas ka ng pera. But yung mga luho, yung mga hindi naman talaga kailangan, yan yung dapat mo kontrolin. This is poverty, this is stagnancy, so, magiging matumal talaga ang pera. So, I'm not saying na talagang para sa'yo, it's like for the whole zodiac, kasi nga, epekto ito nitong crisis ngayon. But the good thing here, kung ano mo meron ka ngayon, even small money na pumapasok, hindi man kasing laki ng ine-expect mo. So, do your best to save, do your best to manage it. Okay? Kasi mahirap na kung maubusan or wala kang madudukutan sa oras ng crisis or you really need, kumbaga, resources sa mga bagay. Okay, Taurus? So, look at this one. We have this star card here. There's a good news on the way coming up for you. So, I can see here, the good news is related to something na, kumbaga, lately na gusto mo na makawala, gustong naipit ka sa sitwasyon na hindi ka na masaya, toxic, friendship, relationship, workplace. If you want to move on, if you want to move to other place, if you want to start something again, na kumbaga, magiging masaya ka, kung saan ka magiging productive. So, this is the best sign na gawin mo na yan, Taurus, with this star card here. This is good news, this is abundance. Sabi ko nga, you are guaranteed of abundance in the future. But with this, itong 4 and 5 of Pentacles na magkasunod, so talagang hindi ito yung oras para magwaldas. Okay? Merong mga blessings na papasok. So, the reminder here is, Taurus, to be mindful about it. Hawakan itong mabuti, manage itong mabuti. Sinasabi ko, pagiging masaya ka sa good news na parating para sa iyo, but this is related sa money. Okay? So, Taurus, please, ulitin ko. Nasa iyo yung bola kung paano hahawakan ang blessing na marireceive mo. Tapusin natin to, Taurus, yung timeless reading with your 10th and last card. Okay, we have Devil here. So, hindi kita papatagalin. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo, that's why you really need to save money. You really need to do everything. Hindi ako magsisinungaling sa inyo. Sinasabihin ko po sa inyo. So, parang nakikita ko dito, baka ma-surprise ka. There's something about na parang, it's like, hindi naman to talagang malaki na problema, but at least kapag dumating ito related sa trabaho or finances, baka, you need something na parang gagamitin para ma-solve itong a little bit of problem here with the Devil card. So, kailangan mo talaga magtipid. So, I am reminding you, so hindi to nakakatakot, although Devil is here, kasi dito naman yung star, so may good news naman dito. This is something about, nasabi kong unexpected na maaaring pagkagastusan mo, but kapag sabi ko naging wise ka, kapag nagtabi ka, naipon ka, you don't need to worry. Wala kang poproblemahin dito kahit may konting problem na mag-arise. Because the star is here, good news. So with the 4 and 5 of Pentacles na magkasunod, so this is the best reminder for you to please manage your money and resources wisely. Okay? So, this is just a chill reading for you, Taurus. This is more on reminder, paalala. So, I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, mga Taurus kong soulmate sa inyong panonood at laging pagsama. Hanggang sa susunod natin pagkikita, ha? Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.